Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the counter widget on Elementor Page Builder. This is a fantastic feature that lets you display animated numbers on your website, perfect for showcasing statistics like the number of happy clients, completed projects, or years of experience in a visually engaging way. First, go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools you need to build and customize your pages. Next, navigate to Pages in the left sidebar and select Add Page. This will create a new blank page for you to work with. After that, click Edit with Elementor to launch the Elementor Page Builder interface. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be able to drag and drop elements to design your page exactly how you want it. Now, in the Widgets panel on the left side of your screen, search for Counter. Elementor has tons of widgets available, so using the search function makes it quick and easy to find exactly what you need. Once you've located the counter widget, either click it or drag it directly to your desired page section. This adds the widget to your layout and prepares it for customization. Click on the widget you just added to open the Content tab on the left. This is where you'll configure all the basic settings for your counter. Start by setting the starting number to 0 or whatever number you prefer your counter to begin from. This is the value your counter will start animating from when someone views your page. Next, enter your final number in the designated field. For example, if you want to showcase 5,000 happy clients, type 5,000 here. Right below that, you'll see animation duration, which controls how fast or slow the counter animates. You can set this to 3,000 milliseconds for a smooth 3-second animation, or adjust it to your liking depending on the effect you want. Now, type a title in the title field. This is the text that appears below your number and gives it context. For instance, you might write happy clients to explain what the number represents. This helps visitors understand the significance of the statistic you're displaying. After setting up your content, click the Style tab at the top of the left panel. This is where you'll customize the visual appearance of your counter. First, look for the Number tab and click it. Here, you'll find the text color option. Click on it to open the color picker, and you can now customize the color of your counter number to match your website's branding or design theme. Next, scroll down to Style the title under Style, then Title. Click on Typography to access font options. From the submenu that appears, you can change the font family to something that fits your site's style and adjust the size to make sure it's clearly visible and well balanced with the counter number above it. Finally, click Update or Publish at the upper right of the page to save all your changes. Once published, you can preview the page to see your animated counter in action and make sure everything looks perfect. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a counter widget in Elementor, giving your website a professional and dynamic touch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.